Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Alibaba Group Holdings based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, this is a special request from you guys. It is a pleasure always, of course, to offer it for you on this channel. And as we can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a finishing wave A or a wave 1 on the weekly chart. After a wave A, you are looking probably for an A, B, and a C toward the upside to reach around the 1-to-1 fib level 323, of course, for Alibaba here. And we are looking, of course, for a zigzag, and that because, of course, we have an impulse toward the upside, meaning A, B, and a C, of course, probably for, of course, another impulse in 5 waves toward the upside, reaching the 323. This is your first scenario, which is already bullish, and don't forget that you have reached almost the bottom here by touching the 886 fib level, which is of course a little bit small gap here in difference between. So we cannot really call a big impulse towards the upside as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and that because your very sharp wave 2 reaching almost the wave 1 here, which is reducing the scenario where you might have a big impulse towards the upside. However, everything still can be possible in the stock market. Of course, it depends on the psychology and on the trust around Alibaba. However, minimum price action right now is 323 toward the upside. You're looking to 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, your second scenario, which is as well bullish, in because you touch the 886, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, leading a contracting diagonal. Wave 2, 886 fib level is a very characteristic for a wave 2 in a contracting diagonal, meaning in a leading diagonal, and that is also very bullish. That means, of course, when you finish this leading contracting diagonal, you will finish a wave 1 here, and you will start a 1, ABC for a wave 2, and then moving explosive and massively toward the upside for a wave 3, of course, as an impulse, and then 4 and a 5, meaning, of course, Alibaba can start its move for a massive potential of bullish, and of course moving for higher prices than this, of course, but still, of course, need a little bit more of ranging here, and of course launching this very massive bullish scenario. However, first target blue zone is of course our $323. You would like to see here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing this wave C exactly, and impulsively with an impulse with a lower count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and a 5. We're gonna see, of course, now your target as a wave 3. Let's see the confluence between those two scenarios where we have contracting diagonal. Your wave 3 as a contracting diagonal is, of course, between this blue box. However, yeah, it's not really nice here to hit only this perfect fib level for wave 3 because it's not gonna take the high, which is not, of course, nice. So, however, we have to be careful with it because if this is a case scenario, we cannot, of course, deny it. So, yeah, to be watched, but higher possibility is for the yellow right now, probably moving for higher. And don't forget that in this case, that a wave 1, if wave 3 here becomes longer than your wave 1, therefore we cannot say this is, of course, a contracting leading diagonal because your wave 3 is not allowed to be longer than your wave 1. And in that case scenario, we have to move or to shift, of course, for a bullish in case we move higher than 323, but to be watched, of course, or reanalyzed at that time. That was it for Alibaba. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.